Hello beautiful people, it's Halcyon and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing this ethereal, fairy-like, airy Libra look. I'm going to use stippling techniques, we're going to do colorful freckles. It's going to be a good time. I hope you enjoy and let's get to the look. I'm going to start the look by placing a green eyeshadow as a sort of base. Desert Spoon from the Sydney Grace Temptalia on the Horizon palette. You can use any spring green that you have in your collection. I'm going to take it on a fluffy brush. It's okay to be really messy and not really blend this. It is just a base. Next, I am going to take a light pink. I'm going to use the pastel pink from the Creepy Cute palette from the Shroud Cosmetics called Strawberry Milk. I'm going to take that on a smaller brush and I'm going to put it in the front and sort of drape it into and over the brows. And then I am going to blend it out with a bigger brush. I want it to look very ethereal and diffused. Next, I'm going to take a green liquid liner and a brush like this to stipple. I'm going to wet the brush at the top and place it in the liner, and then I am going to pat it directly on. For stippling, you want to make motions like so to get this effect. And now we're going to let that dry. Meanwhile, I'm going to take a pink blush. This is Too Faced, Just to Find My Love. Very pink. And I'm going to put it all over my face, sort of like a and I'm laying it on very thick. Now that I am very pink, I'm going to take a pink highlighter I'm using Star Surfer from Kaleidos. I'm concentrating on the middle of my face. Next, this is dry, so I am going to take this green iridescent shade. I'm going to put that shade on the inner corners. And tap it a little bit over the center of the lid. Next, I'm going to take some liners. I have a baby pink and a light green. It'd be even better if I had a green that matched, but I don't, so I'm going to use the light pink in the front of each waterline and the green in the outer part. Now I am going to take a pink liner. This is from the Ivette Beauty Rainbow Sherbet quad. I'm going to take a regular brush and I'm going to make freckles. In the meantime, I am going to use a pretty pink lip gloss. This is Pink Pearl from Ivette Beauty. And because my lashes are so light, you probably can't see them. I really like that effect with this look. So I am not going to put on mascara. If you have dark lashes, you can try a pink or a white mascara, something light. So there is my completed Libra look. What do you think? I'm a Libra moon. Happy birthday to all of my Libra suns out there, and I hope everyone has a wonderful Libra season. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. Maybe consider subscribing. I do a look for every zodiac sign as their season arrives in the year. I am going to be doing Halloween looks for all of October. So yeah, subscribe if you want to see that kind of content. And I also have Instagram. I post looks that I don't film. I post my dog. I post just more casual content in general. Some behind the scenes of my videos. It's good stuff. Follow it if you like, no pressure. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.